Hello everyone, it's singing assembly time. This is the upper phase singing assembly, although if you're in the lower phase, hi, welcome. You're allowed to watch and sing along to this too because you're also brilliant and wonderful. We're going to do a short warm-up and then I'll teach you the song with some copying. I know we learnt it a little while ago, but it's good to go over these things. And then on the next video, we'll just have a version you can just sing along to all the way through. Okay. First thing, standing nicely or sitting on the fronts of your chairs really nicely. Roll your shoulders so they're nice and loose. Hold out one arm in front of you. Give it a little pat like this, all the way back up. And then under the elbow. And back to the front, other arm. Pat, 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 under the arm. Really wake it up. Very nice. Full of energy. Silent drink of water. Ready? Like this. You're going to go down your throat like you're making, it's going to make no sound at all. Here we go. Another drink, fill it up with water. We're going to feel that cold, cold air going all the way down your throat. Ready? 3, 2, 1. And do you know what? If you need a yawn at this point, yawning is great because it warms up your voice and it warms up your face. So, very nice. Give your face a little massage. Like this, and can you make the saddest noise you can while you're doing it? Like, good. Eyebrows, give them a little wiggle. Up and down as fast as you can. Oh, that's tiring. If you can raise one eyebrow. I wish I could. I can't. Do it now. Very nice. We've got our face warmed up, we've got our breathing warmed up. Let's start making some gentle noises. Remember from last week? Oh, let's be so careful with him. Here's our little new pet Make a lovely slidey sound. And really gently, so gently, pick him up like this. Lovely open mouth. Is an open mouth sound. It's all at the back of your mouth. Ready? Can I conduct your please? I'm going to lift mine up and down. And I might go right down here and right up here. And I want you to follow. Ready? Take your lovely gentle and this time let's do our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5s. Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 1. Nice happy fives. Ready, steady, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 1. As we go higher, you can't really use this loud chest voice anymore. You've got to use your head voice. So you just sing it a bit softer, soft and floaty. You never have to shout. So just going up a little bit higher. Ready, steady, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Gently. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 1. One more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 1. Let's learn the song. I'll sing, you sing back. When it's your turn, I'll mime the words anyway. I'll look a bit silly. You'll sound fantastic. You ready? Make sure you're nice and loose. La 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 la. Make sure your vocal cords are working. Here we go. Me first. When I find myself in times of trouble, Mother Mary comes to me. You'll go 1, 2, 3, 4. Speaking words of wisdom, let it be. Your turn. And in my hour of darkness, she is standing right in front of me. Your go. Speaking words of wisdom, let it be. Your go. Do you sing from the beginning? When I find myself in times of trouble, Mother Mary comes to me, speaking words of wisdom, let it be. And in my hour of darkness, and in my hour of darkness, she is standing right in front of me, speaking words of wisdom, let it be. For the chorus, we sing let it be 4 times. Let it be, let it be, let it be, let it be. Get that? We go, first one, let it be. Sing that. Good. Next one goes up, let it be. Then we go down again, let it be. And then down again, let it be. So we go like down, up, down, even more down. That's the pattern. Down, up, down, even more down. Let it be, let it be, let it be, let it be. Last one jumps up. Let it be. Ready? Let it be, let it be, let it be, let it be. Whisper words of wisdom, let it be. That's the whole chorus. Ready? Here we go. Let it be 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let it be, let it be, let it be, let it be. Whisper words of wisdom, let it be. Next verse. Me then you. And when the broken-hearted people living in the world agree, you'll go 2, 3, 4. Good. There will be an answer, let it be. You'll go. And though they may be parted, there is still a chance that they will see. There will be an answer, let it be. You'll go. And then we sing 2 more choruses. We do a double chorus. But remember how we're now saying there will be an answer? Well, that now goes into our chorus. 4 let it be's. Let it be, let it be, let it be, let it be. And then, there will be an answer. It's not whisper words of wisdom or speaking words of wisdom anymore. It's there will be an answer, let it be. And then we do another chorus and we sing whisper words of wisdom, let it be. There will be an answer, whisper words of wisdom. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Let it be, let it be, let it be, let it be. There will be an answer, let it be. Let it be, let it be, let it be, let it be. And we say, whisper words of wisdom, let it be. Then I get a little piano bit. Next verse. And when the night is cloudy, there is still a light that shines on me. Shine until tomorrow, let it be. Let's sing it together. We can do this now. 1, 2, 3, 4. And when the night is cloudy, there is still a light that shines on me. Shine until tomorrow, let it be. 1, 2, 3, 4. And when the night is cloudy, there is still a light that shines on me. Shine until tomorrow, let it be. Last verse. I wake up to the sound of music. Mother Mary comes to me, speaking words of wisdom, let it be. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. I wake up to the sound of music. Mother Mary comes to me, speaking words of wisdom, let it be. And then to finish the song, we sing 3 choruses. And it's a there will be an answer chorus. Let it be, let it be, let it be, let it be. There will be an answer, let it be. Another one. Let it be, let it be, let it be, yeah, let it be. There will be an answer, let it be. Third chorus is going to be a whisper words of wisdom chorus. And because it's a whisper words of wisdom chorus, let's take the volume down. Let's sing a bit quieter. They don't do this on the original, but we can, it's nice. So the last one, let it be, whisper words of wisdom. Let it be, let it be, let it be, yeah, let it be. Whisper words of wisdom, let it be.